Hey viewers,
Hello
welcome to
viewers.
Travel and Fun. And today we have Anaka's parents also with us, mom and dad. Acha Amma, say hi. Hi. So this is our mom and dad. So we found something interesting, and that's the Robo restaurant. Yes. So let me show you this Robo restaurant. You heard of robots like Transformers, robots and all. Say, the Robo restaurant. So we are going to go there and have some lunch, and we're going to try it out. Let's see how well it is. Watch this Robo. ഞാൻ ബാക്കിൽ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കുന്നല്ലേ. Hey Robo.
Hi guys. So we reached here and here the ambience is very good, and here the thing is you no need to wait for some waiter to come near you and to order the food. You have a tablet on your table so that you can just order whatever you want. There you have lot many choices, and even you can give them personalized. If you want your food to be spicy or less spicy, you can just leave a note so that the chef will make that thing personally for you. So the ambience is also very good, and you can see these robots going here and there. It's good, nice experience. I'll show you like what we are ordering, how we are ordering. So guys, we are going to order food now.
So
Let's start with soup.
Soup, some non-veg soup. Okay, so we like chicken mancho soup. So we have 4, and you can add some special notes to chef, like you can mention we need 2 by 4 update. And so this is our cart here. Let's add it.
And starter,
Okay, so
or we'll go for main.
let's go for main.
Yeah.
Right? Main course. Okay. So let's go for some biryani. So
Chicken
this
biryani.
will take 1 chicken biryani. Okay, that's also added to our cart. And then let's search for some naan. I guess
Indian
it should be. I wish there was a search option. Okay, Indian non-veg gravy. Okay, so let's have chettinad chicken. You can try chettinad chicken. നല്ല കറി ആയിരിക്കില്ലേ?
Spicy.
ഒരു കറി
Don't
പറയാം.
add spicy.
Okay. And
No, add some naan, but garlic naan.
okay, some garlic naan. Okay, let's go for breads. So it should be in breads. Oh yes. So
You'll have garlic naan?
I'll have butter naan.
Okay then.
I'll have 2 butter naans.
I'll add 2 garlic naan.
So guys, we have completed our selection, and these are our dishes. So you can see them over here. Scroll up and down, and then you have to just press order now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here they have finalized our order, and we just press complete dining. Okay. Okay, payment preference will be card. Okay, we'll press okay, card and complete.
If you want to have some dessert or something, then you should not press this complete.
Yes, but we don't want to have dessert, right? So we'll just finish it. Or you want some juice or something? Okay, so we complete the bill. Okay.
Excuse me, you're on my way. Would you please make a room for me? Thank you. Excuse me, you're on my way. Would you please make a room for me? Have a nice day. Thank you.
So our order is here. Garlic naan, butter naan.
Chicken biryani and chicken chettinad.
Yeah, chicken biryani and chicken chettinad.
Excuse me, you're on my way. Would you please make a room for me? Thank you. Excuse me, you're on my way. Would you please make a room for me? Thank you.
So friends, we had our lunch at the robot themed restaurant, and yeah, the theme is good.
Ambience is good.
Good ambience and good idea. But I guess they could improve somewhere. Some things could be improved, like the service and a little bit of food quality and all could be improved. So overall, the experience was good. It's worth a visit, I guess.
Seriously.
Yeah, it's worth a visit.
You can go and try once, and if kids, they will like it.
So guys, hope you like the video.
This video.
Yeah, and do give it a try, the robot restaurant
Yeah.
here in Coimbatore. I'll drop down the
I
address
think
in the description
the same
box.
branch is in Chennai also. So do visit.
Yeah, give it a try. So hope you guys like the video. So stay tuned for more videos from Travel and Fun. Until then, it's
Bye.
bye from us. Bye.